¿Cómo estáis, Family Duo? ¡Vamos!
Ah, yeah.
Think,
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 think, think,
you think,
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 everybody.
think,
You better think,
think,
think about what you're trying to do to me, yeah. Think,
think.
let your mind go, let yourself be free, yeah.
Let's go back to way back when. I didn't even know you could have been too much more than 10.
Just chat, I ain't no psychiatrist, I ain't no doctor with degrees. But it don't take too much IQ, see what you're doing to me, yeah.
Think about what you're trying to do to me, yeah. Think. Let your mind go, let yourself be free, yeah.
Oh, freedom.
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 Freedom. Freedom.
But I was gonna change my mind if you keep doing things I know, yeah. Think about what you're trying to do to me, yeah.
Think.
Let your mind go, let yourself be free.
Walk around every day taking names and taking scores, trying to make everybody lose your mind, but be careful you don't lose yours. So think about what you're trying to do to me, yeah.
Think.
Let your mind go, let yourself be free, yeah.
You need me,
and I need you. Without each other, there ain't nothing people can do.
What you trying to do to me, yeah. What you trying to do, what you trying to do, what you trying to do to me, yeah.
Oh, freedom.
Freedom.
Ha estat xulo el vídeo, veritat? Doncs subscriviu-vos a este canal oficial de Family Duo en YouTube per veure com este vídeo molts més.